English tip by tip.
To be right and to be wrong. Right. Acting in accordance with law, morality, and justice, and also proper or suitable way to behave in a given situation. Wrong. Violates principles of law, morality, and justice, and also inappropriate or unsuitable way to behave in a given situation.
Dialogue 1.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. But I think it's late today. The schedule says 10:15.
Oh, you are right. It's already 10:20.
Wait, look at that sign. It says the bus stop is on the next street today.
Are you sure? I think you are wrong. That sign is for the Sunday market.
Let me check. Oh, yes, you are right. My mistake. It's for Sunday.
Don't worry. Let's wait 5 more minutes.
Dialogue 2.
Good morning. Are you Mr. Miller?
Yes, I am, Your Honor.
The police say you drove too fast on Main Street. Is that right?
I think the police are wrong. I was not fast. I was very slow because of the rain.
The camera says you were at 60 kilometers per hour. The limit is 40.
Oh, 40? I thought the limit was 60.
No, you are wrong. Look at this photo of the sign.
You are right, Your Honor. I am very sorry. I made a mistake.
Exercise. Complete with right or wrong. She believes she was right in her decision. Even her parents disagreed. We have time to right the wrongs of the past. He is on the wrong path to achieving his goals. I was right about the weather forecast. The jury found them wrong in the court case. They knew they had made a wrong choice, but it was too late.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.